All right, this is a unit we just bought. It's unit number, where's the number? 17. See it or not? It's the sun. But it's unit number 17 at Rhino Mini Storage in Elberton. And we just got here. It's an unmanned facility and there is no lock or tag on the door. So we're going to open the door and hopefully everything is like it was. Open it. And it looks like everything is still exactly like it was in the picture. And this is a 10 by 10 and we spent $20 whole on this. And there's a Mr. Coffee in there. This says it's a Keurig. I don't know if it's in there or not, but there is a sewing machine, a Brother sewing machine. So what we're going to do is we're going to load all of this up because I don't have a lot of battery. So we will load it all up and take it home and we will go through it and film it as we go through it. But this is a unit for $20, so definitely ought to be able to make $20. And this is all new in boxes. Some of the boxes aren't in the best shape, but these are all toys. I mean, it's ridiculous. These are all brand new toys. And we have 3 brand new boxes of laser tag. We got all these little kids' toys, all new in the boxes. A little bit of a collection. We turned into a toy store today. And then we have these over here, are all new in the box too. We got Buddy L trucks and Mighty something, Mighty Wheels. Those are solid metal. Nerf gun. A bunch of brand new toys. And then over here, these are new toys, but they don't have the boxes. There's one. And I got a remote control car. Haven't found the remote for it yet, but it's probably here someplace. And underneath that is an air hockey table. And we got this little boat, which is pretty cool, actually. And a farm setup that's new, but it's not in a box. It still has the zip ties on it. And then we found this guy, which is a little kid's electric motorized Triceratops, and it actually works. So that's pretty cool. Never saw one of those before. So not bad. So that's all the toys. That's the toy collection today. So forgot those. There we have 2 toy fishing poles. There's also a toy crossbow I saw here someplace. But not a bad little collection. So we got about 30 boxes and 6 or 7 bags to go through yet. So I'm going to put all this stuff away someplace, somehow, and then we will film again and show you some unboxing. Okay, and I'm back. This is stuff we got out of our $20 unit in Elberton. I already showed a whole bunch of toys. It was like a toy store in here. It was pretty cool. I've already taken pictures of them and put them on eBay. And this is other stuff that we found in the unit. This is actually the reason I bid on the unit, was this right here. It's a Brother sewing machine, and we could see in the pictures that were online that it was actually in it. So I figured right there is my $20 back, because it would cost us more than that just to buy it. And then there was also this, the Keurig, but I can tell by the feel of the box there's no Keurig in it. But I figured if the sewing machine was in, maybe the Keurig would be. But I can tell it's not by the feel. So let's see. And it's not. And it just didn't have the right feel. But it's clothes. And they look like baby stuff. Kids' clothes. Oh, wait a minute. What's that? And a sandal. other one, maybe. Something. And a book. So, see the other sandals in here. So I'm not going to go through all this right now. I'll check it later. If I find anything that's worthwhile, I will post it. But for right now, that's just clothes. I don't care about clothes. And this says it's Anchor Hocking, and it sounds like it's glasses or dishes. It is, but it's not Anchor Hocking. Well, that's Anchor Hocking. Yeah. That's Anchor Hocking. Needs a good cleaning. These are, those are Anchor Hocking. Some of those little custard dishes. But everything else is not. It is actually, it's actually a pretty set. And it is, what is it? Can't see it there, won't focus. It says it's Mikasa, Fine China, Yamato, Tripoli, from Japan, made in Japan. That's not a bad little set. That's probably worth something. But like I said, for $20, I can't complain. I know I got that back in the sewing machine and all the toys. I mean, just selling one or two of the toys, we'll have our money back on that. And speaking of toys, this was in there. This is a tote full of toys. Alright, so these are different. What are these? Just some kind of skates. 95. They say Lightning McQueen, and that was from Cars, I think. There's a set of those. Some Paw Patrol stuff. Stuffed animals. Just a bunch of odds and ends. That's empty. Of course. But just a bunch of toys, which we'll go through. And if there's anything of interest, I'll post it. Alright, and this bag ripped when I pick it up. And of course it's more toys. It looks like some pretty cool toys actually. There's a little kid's compound bow toy. And another Nerf gun. I already found one really nice one that's in the box. It's brand new. But as you can see, just more toys, and toys. I don't know what that is. That's a different one. Don't know what that is. But I'll look it up and figure it out. Anything that's worth putting on eBay will go on eBay. If not, it'll go to the flea market. If not to the flea market, then it'll be donated to the thrift store. Unless it's something really big that's nice, that will go to the auction. In this box, it's awful light. Probably clothes again. Nope, it's not clothes. Paw Patrol, whatever it is. Oh, it's a sheet set. And there's this the fitted, and that's the flat. And if the pillowcases are here, that'll be washed, and we will put that up for sale. And we have this box. Alright, this I saw in the picture too, online. I thought it was a Keurig because the Keurig box is red, but this is actually a Mr. Coffee. And almost forgot about this. This was hiding in the corner. It's a compound bow. It's hidden in the corner near the door in the front. There's no markings on it, so I don't know what brand it is. But I'll take it to the flea market and guarantee somebody will probably give me $30 or $40 for it. So it's not bad. I'll take it. And then we got this bag, which is soft like clothes. But it's alright. Okay. Oh, sleeping bag. It's a Spider-Man sleeping bag. That's pretty cool. Kid's sleeping bag. So we'll wash that up and that'll go on eBay. And another one. This one. Thor. Oh, Captain, alright. This is Avengers. Sleeping bag. Not bad. So we'll clean this up and that'll go on eBay. That's a pretty good bag already. What else? We have a little kid's camouflage winter coat. Not bad. It's made by Old Navy. Okay. That'll work. And Pirates Club, Charleston, South Carolina. Alright, so far it's looking like clothes and toys still. With one or two exceptions. But that's okay. For the most part, clothes, most of them will probably go to the flea market. Not the flea market, the thrift store will donate them. And then they can make some money off them. Because that's something you usually don't find in thrift stores is little kids' clothes. Because they're usually all stained up and ruined. And these look like the ones I've looked at so far. Looks like clothes. Yep, clothes all the way down. These are little girls' clothes. Okay. More clothes. And this box, which says it is a vacuum cleaner, but you can never trust the box. There you go. Another little girl's dress. Got a stain on it. Would have been cute if it wasn't all stained up. And more clothes. That's not clothes. What's that? Set that aside. Yep, that's all clothes all the way down. So, won't bore you with that. So cool like Dad. Okay, sure. And we got a bag. What's in the bag? Appendix with papers, it looks like. Yep. Okay. A troll. Okay. And I think he's another troll. Just he's got, I don't know. Not the troll expert. And this looks like personal papers, crayons, nothing important. A bunch of randomness. Nail polish. Nothing important. A fruit roll-up. Ooh. Wonder if it's expired. I'm not eating it. Alright, so I'm going to stop there, and I'll be back. Alright, so I'm back. I found these. It's a rooster, a chicken, And I think that's another rooster. There might be another chicken, I don't know. Whatever. They're all made out of metal. 2 of them have things on them to hang. This one actually stands. It's got a base on it. But you can put, they open up on the back here, and you can put tea lights in them, which is pretty cool. Other than that, it looks like all the boxes are clothes, which we will go through. If we find anything interesting, I'll show you. And toys, more toys. Used toys, though. So I'll go through them. If I find anything of real interest, I'll come back and post them. Other than that, that's going to be it on this video.